Assalamualaikum students. Hope you are all safe and sound at your home. I am your math teacher Misbah Kawal. Today we will start revision unit number 5 measurement. Firstly we will revise how to convert units of length. So look here the chart. Students, when we move to centimeter to millimeter, we will do multiply by 10, and when we move to millimeter to centimeter, we will do divided by 10. Similarly students, when we move to meter to centimeter, we will do multiply by 100, and when we move to centimeter to meter, we will divide it by 100. Next, when we move to kilometer to meter, we will do multiply by 1000, and when we move to meter to kilometer, we will divide it by 1000. Students, in short we can say when we move to smallest to greatest, we will do divided, and when we move to greatest to smallest, we will multiply. Now we take some example. Firstly we will look kilometer and meter. 1 kilometer equal to how many meters? 1000 meter. You can see student, when we move to kilometer to meter, we will do multiply by 1000. So we will get 1000 meter. Next, when we move to meter to kilometer, we will do divide. 750 meter equal to 0.75 kilometer. Now next we will learn meters and centimeter. 1 meter equal to how many centimeter? 100 centimeter. You can see student, when we move to meter to centimeter, we will do multiply by 100. And next, when we move to centimeter to meter, we will do divide by 100. Like you can see, 260 centimeter convert into the meter, we will divide by 100, so we will get 2.6 meter. Now next we will discuss about centimeter and millimeter. 1 centimeter equal to how many millimeters? 10 millimeters. As you know students, when we move to centimeter to millimeter, we will do multiply by 10, and when we move to millimeter to centimeter, we will do divide by 10. You can see students, when we convert 315 millimeter into centimeter, we will divide by 10. So we will get 31.5 centimeter. I hope student you understand these concepts. Now we move to next topic, in which topic we will learn how to convert units of time. So look here students, when we move to years to month, we will do multiply by 12, and when we move to month to year, we will do divided by 12. We take example, 3 years equal to how many months? Firstly student, you remember 1 year equal to 12 months, and you can see we move to years to month, so we will do multiply by 12. Like 3 multiply by 12, you will get 36 months. Next we learn month and days. When we move to month to days, we will multiply by 30, and when we move to days to month, we will do divided by 30. Next, weeks and days. When we move to weeks to days, we will do multiply by 7, and when we move to days to week, we will do divided by 7. When we move to days to odds, we will do multiply by 24, and when we move to odds to days, we will do divided by 24. When we move to odds into minutes, we will do multiply by 60, and when we move to minutes into odds, we will do divided by 60. Similarly students, when we move to minutes to seconds, we will do multiply by 60, and when we move to seconds into minutes, we will do divided by 60. In short, student, we can say when we move to biggest to smallest, we will do multiply, and when we move to smallest to biggest, we will do divide. Now we take some examples. How many minutes are there in 2 hours? Firstly, students, you remember 1 hour equal to how many minutes? 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. Now we move to hours into the minutes, so we will multiply by 60. Like you can see, to multiply by 60, your answer will get 120 minutes. So we can say 2 hours equal to 120 minutes. Now we take another example. Write in minutes 3 hours 35 minutes. Now you convert in minutes. So firstly we change hours. You know, student, 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. So 3 hours equal to 3 multiplied by 60, and you will get 180 minutes. Now you add total minutes. 180 minutes plus 35 minutes, you will get 215 minutes. I hope student you understand these concepts. So do practice at your home. Now take yourself. Allah Hafiz.
इल्म की राह पर हमको यूं चलना है। मैं पढ़ूंगा, मुझे पढ़ना लिखना है। मैं पढ़ूंगा